Salon, this is Unity, and I'm here to do another Queen's order. And this order is going to Baltimore. Alright, so the first pair I'm going to show y'all are these, and they are self-love. I told y'all I make a lot of these, so I'm pretty sure y'all done seen these in some Queen's order videos. Thank you all to have this beautiful pair. We gotta have self-love. This is the back. Alright, well, the next pair is these Eye of Ra. This is a custom pair. This is a sister that support me all the time. So she wanted the back of the back of these to be matte, and then she wanted the Eye of Ra red, and I glossed the Eye of Ra, and then she wanted a little bit of green glitter right here. So these are a unique pair. From what I know, you're not gonna find them nowhere because I created them unless someone is my alike. But yeah, so this is my version of the Eye of Ra. A lot of times people get the Eye of Ra and the Eye of Horus confused. One is left, one is right, one is sun, one is moon. You know, it's just a balance. So this is the Eye of Ra. Yep. And then this is the back. I did gloss the back. And put a cute little design. But she wanted this to be matte. Y'all see that? It's matte. There's no gloss on it. Very cool and unique pile. And then these two pairs are gifts to her because she always support me, and she gave me a birthday gift. Alright, so this is a pair. A rose quartz. And then this is post back. I put a little quarry shell right here, and then I put some designs. They're very like Afrocentric elegance. And this is the only pair like this. So I gave these to her as a gift. And then this is another pair. If it was a video that I did before this video, and you would see the swirls, and it kind of made me think of doing a big pair. But these are huge, Ginaime. These are huge, and she has a big afro, so these will go exactly with her. All right, y'all, so this is the Queen's order. Thank you, sister, for always supporting me. Y'all check out boabw.com, boabw.com, K.NoirDesigns.com for one of a kind pieces. Leave a beautiful comment. Don't forget to pick up litter. You know, we can't do too much right now, but you know, I gotta say it. We can't do too much now, too much outside, but you know, still do your duties to nature. And one of the reasons we going through a lot of this because of us not taking care of nature. People don't believe it, but usually viruses come from a man-made thing, but at the same time, a lot of germs and stuff come from filth, you know. So make sure y'all taking y'all echinacea, y'all golden seal, and all y'all stuff to keep your immune system up. All right, so long.